In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Canva. If you've ever tried putting together a corporate report, a quarterly review, or a polished end-of-year summary, you already know how frustrating it can be when the document starts to look cluttered, uneven, or just plain boring. The good news is that Canva makes it much easier to build a professional-looking report without needing advanced design software. Let's walk through the full process together. First, from your Canva homepage, go to the top right corner and click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Report, then choose the standard Report Portrait 8.5 by 11 inch option. Starting with the correct report format matters because it gives you a clean, high-resolution page size that works well for both on-screen viewing and printing later. Once your blank report opens, take a moment to turn on the layout guides before adding anything to the page. Go to File, then View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides as well as Show Margins. This is a simple but important step. Those guides act like visual boundaries, helping you keep headers, text blocks, charts, and page numbers aligned consistently across every page. That consistency is what makes a report feel polished and professional. Next, move to the left sidebar and open the Design or Templates section. Use the search bar to look for a report style that fits your topic, such as an annual business report, a financial summary, or a marketing analytics report. Browse through the options until you find a design that matches the tone you want, then click Apply All Pages. This gives you a cohesive multi-page layout right away, which saves time and helps your report maintain the same visual identity from beginning to end. After that, start customizing the content. If your template includes a chart, click on it once to open the data panel on the left. From there, you can paste in numbers from a spreadsheet and Canva will update the chart automatically. Then click into the text areas and replace the sample content with your own headings and insights. Use the toolbar at the top to adjust fonts and keep your typography clear and readable. Strong, simple fonts work best for reports, especially when you want the information to feel organized and easy to scan. Before exporting, review the entire document page by page. Make sure all placeholder text is gone, page numbers are aligned, and no charts or text blocks extend beyond the margin guides. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner, choose Download, then switch the file type to PDF print. This keeps your report sharp, properly sized, and ready for professional sharing or printing. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.